Hi friends, welcome to Veteach. In this session we will go for applications of refrigeration. Here we are having several applications based on the refrigeration. Here we are having a food processing, preservation as well as a distribution. So here food processing as well as preservation and distribution. These three are having different tasks. So after completion of the crops, then we will go for food processing. After go for food processing, then we will go for preservation before distributing the food. For example, here we are having some amount of cheese. So that cheese can be stored in a refrigeration system. The reason is here if we are having more temperature, then automatically the product can be spoiled. So if you observe the same thing here, after taking the milk, then we will convert that milk into a cheese, that is considered as food processing. Coming to here, preservation, here that cheese can have certain saturation temperature. For maintaining the temperature, we will send that cheese into that refrigeration system, that is considered as a preservation. Coming to here, a distribution, after preserving that cheese, then we will convert that cheese into a ghee. So likewise here that ghee can be distributed to among the people. So likewise here we are having food processing, preservation and distribution. All those things can considered in terms of a refrigeration system. Without the refrigeration system we can't do anything in these three processes. Coming to here, chemical and process industries. That means here if we are having a chemical industries, so based on that here for maintaining human comfort we will provide some air conditioning system. So that here in the chemical and process industries, definitely we will maintain certain low temperature. That's the reason we will go for a refrigeration in those areas. Coming to here, special applications means the special applications is considered as restaurants as well as some function halls. Likewise we are having several applications based on this refrigeration system. Coming to here, comfort air conditioning. That means here for human comfort we will go for air conditioning. The temperature of the human being comfort as 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Likewise here based on this refrigeration system we will maintain this temperature for comfort the human being, that is considered as comfort air conditioning system. So here some special applications based on the refrigeration system. So here cold treatment of metals in the manufacturing of precision parts. So based on that we are having some cutting tools to improve dimensional accuracy, hardness and wear resistance and tool life. So that if you will go for in this process, here we are having a cutting tool process. So after cutting the material, then definitely we are having certain high temperature in that region. So for providing a comfort temperature we will go for a refrigeration concept in those areas. Similar way for storage of blood, plasma and tissues. So here we are having a blood plasmas in hospitals. In those areas we are maintaining a less temperature. That's the reason in those areas we are using the refrigeration system. For manufacture and storage of drugs, that means in the medicine sector we are having several drugs. So that drugs must be kept in cold temperature. That means 2 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius we will maintain the temperature like that. So that definitely we will go for a refrigeration system for preserving those drugs in the real time scenarios. Similar way in surgery for local anesthesia. So that means here if we will go for anesthesia process, in that the body can have a cold temperature. That's the reason here definitely we will maintain cold temperature for maintaining a cold body. Coming to here in construction for setting of concrete and freezing wet soil to facilitate excavation. That means here if you will go for a construction, so when we are a construction, so after providing a coolness to that construction, then automatically the particle in that beam can be stronger. Means here the gap is reduced when we are providing a cooling to that construction. That's the reason in the construction areas we are providing a coolant with respect to a water. here we are maintaining the cooling with respect to a water, so that here for cooling purpose the substance is used as a water. Similar way here manufacturing of ice cubes as well as flakes. So here based on this definitely we are having certain low temperatures, then only the liquid can convert into an ice cube. That's the reason here manufacturing of ice as well as ice cubes definitely we are maintaining certain low temperature. In that consideration we will go for a refrigeration concept. Coming to here some applications based on the air conditioning also. Here providing thermal comfort to humans and other living beings comfort air conditioning. That means here if you will go for a refrigeration system, around 99% we are having certain applications based on the real time scenarios, whereas here in air conditioning the application based on the human comfort only. So 99% in air conditioning system we will go for human comfort, but it is not in a real time scenarios. So providing certain conditions required for various products and process in industries and industrial air conditioning. That means here you will go for air conditioning system. In real time scenarios for air conditioning system is function halls, theaters as well as some movie clubs. Likewise here these are considered for real time scenarios of air conditioning system. But we are having a refrigerant that is considered for consideration of certain low temperatures in the industries. That means manufacturing sector or some other related sectors we will go for that refrigeration. The reason is here we are having certain high temperature can be generated based on the external sources as well as internal sources. That's the reason here in industries we will go for refrigeration, whereas here in theaters or movie clubs or some other function halls we are having certain air conditioning systems. So air conditioning is based on that the human comfort only. That is the main application for air conditioning system. These are the applications and justification for refrigeration and air conditioning system in real time scenarios. Thank you.